Hello, hello, my dear students. Now we are seeing blood grouping. Blood grouping means what? We individuals have the different types of bloods as we know them. It is known that the surface of the RBCs carries a range of different proteins are called as an antigens. Depends upon these antigens. Based on this antigen, the individual blood group will be decided. As you know, we have blood group A, we have blood group B, blood group AB, or blood group O. In addition, individuals can make antibodies to these antigens, but not to their own type of antigens. Since if they did the antigens and antibodies, that will be react and that will cause the potentially fatal transmission reaction. That's why we should take care while transfusing blood from one person to the another person. If individuals are transfused with blood of the same group, that is possessing the same antigens on the surface of the cells, their immune system will not recognize them as a foreign and will not reject them. However, if they are given blood from an individual of the different blood type, that means if we have given the blood group A to the person having blood group B, then what will happen? Their immune system will generate antibodies to the foreign antigens and destroy the transfused cells. This is the basis of transfusion reaction. The two blood types, the donor and the recipient, are incompatible. This leads to hemolysis of erythrocytes. That's why we should take care while transfusion of the blood from one person to the other person. The hemolysis of erythrocytes means, I think all of you know well, that is breakdown of the RBCs. As we know well, the blood groups are there, that is A, B, AB and O. About 55% of the population has either A-type antigens, that is in blood group A, B-type antigens, that is in blood group B, or both, that is in blood group AB on their red cell surface. The remaining population, that is 45%, that does not have neither A nor B type antigens, that is known as blood group O. But the blood group O person having the corresponding antigens are called anti-A, anti-B. Blood group A individuals cannot make anti-A and therefore do not have these antibodies in their plasma. Since otherwise a reaction to their own cells would occur, they can however make anti-B. So that's why blood group A is having anti-B antigens and antigen A. See, you can observe this table, that is blood group A, B, AB and O. Antigens in the blood group A is the antigen A and it makes the anti-B. As a donor is compatible with the A and AB, means we can donate to the person who is having blood group A and AB, and we can receive the blood from person having blood group A and O. Your blood group is A, then it is incompatible with blood group B and O because both makes anti-A antibodies that will react with the antigen A. As you are a blood group A person, you can't receive the blood from blood group B and blood group AB and the blood group because type A makes anti-B antibodies that will react with the B antigens. See, in the blood group AB, we are seeing on the surface of RBC antigens A and B. This blood group AB person having they neither make anti-A nor anti-B. As a donor, we can able to donate the blood to the blood group AB person only because A blood group, B blood group and O blood group they are incompatible because all three makes antibodies that will react with the AB antigens. So that will be react with the AB antigens. So that's why we could not able to donate the blood to the persons having blood group A, B and O. But as a recipient, you can receive the blood from the all groups of blood, that is from A, that is from blood group B, that is from blood group AB, that is from the blood group O, because AB makes no antibodies and therefore will not react with any type of donated blood. That's why this AB blood group is called as an universal recipient. See, as persons having rarely blood group O, as you can see in this table, this RBC surface does not have any antigens. Means this blood group will have neither A nor B antigens, but it's having both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. As a donor, you can be donate to the all blood groups. That is, O is called as universal donor because the RBCs does not have any antigens and will therefore not stimulate anti-A and anti-B antibodies. As a recipient, you should be only receive the blood from the O only because as A, AB and B blood group makes anti-A and anti-B antigens, antibodies. So that's why you can only receive the blood group from the O only because all other groups they contain the antigen A, antigen B or antigen A and B. So that's why you could not receive the blood from other blood groups. You only require blood group from the O only. But you can able to donate the blood to the all other individuals. So that's why O has become the universal donor.